Make sure it's facing you. Thank you. All right, enjoy that portion. Let's eat. Let's eat. Enjoy that portion. Where's your knife? You should be enjoying that portion with the knife at the top. The knife should still be at the top. At the top of your plate, right here, okay? Should that knife be facing me? Should that knife be facing me? Thank you. Where's your knife? Should be at the top of the plate. Okay. All right? We're enjoying that portion. Your knife should be at the top of the plate. Okay? Now it is time to cut again. Follow me. Follow me. Hello. Follow me. Switch the fork back to the end. Do not touch that knife. Do not touch that knife yet. Switch the fork back to the other hand. Index finger in place. Sit up. Index finger in place. Then you retrieve the knife. Index finger in place. Good. Now get the knife. So you had it before. Now hold it tightly. Then you retrieve the knife. Elbows off the table, please. Elbows off the table. Okay. Now you've got the knife and a fork back in hand. Index fingers in place. And the knife is, the handle should stop in your palm, remember? And we are cutting. We're cutting just like we learned before. We're cutting gracefully. Lower your hand. We're cutting gracefully. We're finished cutting that piece. Place the knife at the top. Place the knife at the top. Place the knife at the top. Switch the fork to the other hand. Holding it like a pencil. And we're enjoying that portion. Good job. We're finished with that. It's time to pause. Place your fork in the 5 o'clock position with the handle hanging off. That knife should still be at the top, Mama. That knife should not be facing me. The handle of the fork should be hanging off the plate. Okay, great. Now what is the finished position? We place the knife next to the fork. Not crossing it, right next to it. Okay, now should the cutting side be facing her? Bring it closer, that fork should be hanging off the plate. Bring them closer together. Good, this is great, this is great, 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 great. That's 6 o'clock, Mama, I need 5. Good, right here, good job. Okay, you're finished? Where do you place the knife? Oh. It accompanies the fork and the 5 o'clock, right there. Okay, good. Yes. Okay, so it should be on this side of the fork, okay? And you have the handle hanging off. So that's your finished position. Okay, 5 o'clock is right here. Remember, the cutting side shouldn't face someone else. It should face your fork. So, good. Close them. Great. Your knife is facing her. Good. Good job. Okay. All right. Everybody's in the finished position? Give yourselves a hand. I know it was a big task. I know it was a big task. Just remember, when you go out, people notice ill behavior, meaning bad behavior, just as much as they notice good behavior. And so when you're dining, you can practice these things, and you know how to now use your knife and fork, yes?
What if the food is hot? You make it air.
If it is hot, you said? If it is hot, you allow it to sit until it cools down.
That's my dad.
Yeah, allow it to sit until it cools down, yes.